Hello, mic test. Charging pin J7 Pro. May basag na. Susubukan natin gawin. Okay. Lock and listen.
We got problems. Where you been? Where'd you go? That son of a bitch was off and slit his throat. Then he killed Pepe. Why me in there? He tried to kill me too. I told you he was no good. You gotta roll before the heavy mail comes. Go get a bandage. Go get your radio.
Okay.
Fish, where's your weapon? Get over to old man Ruby's house on the dump. You had to sit those people over here. We were beating. I ain't saying that that's even no place. That's the bullshit. What you've done is work.
Kung kailangan.
1400 trip.
Baraha. Yes. Tsaka to. Fuji Magic. Kailangan siya, may vloggers ka eh. Para yung iba, merong idea. First tip, kakalas ka ng konti. Siyempre, ingatan mo. Kung pinakamahalaga.
Yeah, perfect pang Y91 no?
Ha?
Y91, 45. Yeah, blue ah.
Mahalagang bagay. Nakapasok ka na. Ito na yung part na pinaka mahirap. Mga sa babae, virgin.
Kaya sapat?
Ha?
Kaya sapat? Wala, bawas.
Tare!
Alam naman ako eh.
Ang alin dyan, mare? A3S, magkano sabi?
Sabi ko yung triple ko.
Naku, hindi kaya para eh.
Hindi ko kaya sapat. Sapat.
Fingerprint na.
Kill yourselves on your own.
Hanggang po pa po.
Ang mahirap. Last na.
Boss, mga sa pakonte.
Ang alin diyan, pare?
Ito.
Magkano sabi?
3.5. Bawas.
Anong 3.5?
Wala, ito ko ni pira-kira. Ito pakonte.
Wala, hindi kaya, pare.
Ito ko ni pira-kira.
Yan eh, 4.5. Bigay ko siya yung 4.2.
Hey, boys. Which one of you stab? You get that goddamn crap bucket? Look, I don't want to hear shit other than how the fuck you ended up miles on the wrong side of this goddamn valley. That's around the corner there. I said where's some find out what his problem is while I go get this stuff.
Okay, yung pinakamahirap.
You got 2
Yan.
minutes to get your balls out of the sling.
Pumasok na si Baraha. Pagkapasok niya, madali na.
Been trying to, sir.
Paggamitan mo na ng
Guess you don't want to let me go.
Fuji Magic.
He's a nice little fella.
Tatanggalin yung pandikit sa
I said get rid of it.
ilalim.
I don't know what
So, syempre, paunti-unti.
ain't gonna leave him.
Para lang may pasok si Fuji sa ilalim.
He don't talk much.
So, dati basag na.
See here, watch this here.
Kanya basag.
Hey, what
Pero
the fuck
ingatan
is wrong
natin.
with you, soldier? We just spent 2 days risking our
Para
asses getting here
mag-success.
for you. That's good men. White men in this man's army holding back that attack for you. And you gonna talk to me about some goddamn Dago Watt kid?
Oops, worry ko parang replacement na eh. Kaya mabilis yung basag.
You feel sorry for him. Okay. Okay, button up. Get in the Jeep. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Pero dandan pa rin natin.
Ain't no cause for that kind of talk in front of no child, sir.
Ano yun,
You
Ben?
ain't got to make
Okay,
them cry,
magawa ka?
Whoa.
Meron ka ng
No,
bed.
this, nobody gonna talk about my boy like that. Cussing and thumping and yelling and
Then,
carrying on.
pagkatapos nito sa kabila na naman. Pasok tayo ngayon.
Sir,
Paunti-unti.
Sam got a mind of his own. It was my idea to bring the kid, but I'm down at the Circuit River. Fact is, the kid won't leave us.
Hindi maiangat gawa ng basag. So, angat tayo ng konti.
Trey, give the kid to Miss Lucy Lucy here. She'll do a fine job. Ain't his mama stand? I know, Jeezy, but you gotta give him up. You doing good as I do. Really, I'm gonna raise him right.
So, pasok na rin.
He don't even want to go. Hey, this some kind of fucking minstrel show. Yeah.
Konti-konti lang.
Luke, get out of my goddamn way.
Yun, pasok na. Tawagan. Dito na naman kasi pasag to. Ingatan
This
natin ngayon.
fucker's dead.
Para lang
The
hindi
cook cut down. How did he get that
magkalat.
way? Somebody killed him, sir. Well, I can see that, Staff Sergeant Stamps. But how did he get killed? Didn't you put a man on him? I did. But the Italian
Ilagyan natin ng tip para hindi magkalat.
You dropped the fucking ball. You fucked up big time. Now all four of you gonna be court-martialed. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hear that? Sir, we gotta pull out now. And you load up, soldier. About this child here, sir, if I could just get a word with you about this for the last time, soldier. I told you to get in that goddamn Jeep. No need to shoot the man over no child, sir. Sir, we can take him back to headquarters. We got room.
Siguro may rami na pinuntahan si kuya. Umayaw. Siyempre basag na. Tayo, dahil gusto natin tulungan. Mahal naman kasi LCD. Charging pin lang naman ang sira. Tinry natin. Malapit na. Nakapasok na tayo sa lungga. Halos napasok na natin ngayon. Konti na lang. Angat na to.
I'll see you again, Staff.
Okay. Painitan natin ng kaunti. Para may angat na. Okay na. Konting ingat sa mga basag. Okay and alright. Replacement na nga to. So ito. Bukas na. Ayan, success. Naiangat natin. Ito, malalaman mamaya. Ito, basag. Pero maganda yung pagkaangat. Safety. Tsaka ito, basag. Pero sabi ni Kuya, ito may tama na rin dito. Sabi ni Kuya, magagamit pa raw. So, let's start para sa charging pin. Siyempre, daming torniling babaklasan nito. Bago mo mahukay si charging pin.
boy, I can't move my hand. There's my boy Livy. Yeah, this is Livy. He just got a little scratch, but he's gonna be okay. That's good. That's good. I like to put that little cross on him. Let him know whose daddy is. Here. Take that.
Para mas maganda sa pulis na alam ko. Baka lang po. Ano din mo? Kasi marami kasi nabuti para dapat nagtitigil. Kasi kailangan makita parang anong nag-try ka lang. Kasi hindi natin kami na yun. Kami kasi parang dadali mo kasi sila.
Tatakpan natin itong mouthpiece niya baka maapektuhan. Kailangan laging safety. Saan natin ngayon ito baklasin. Stop. Pa natin. Bagong gamit, quick 706 watts plus. So napakaganda gamitin dahil mabilis.
Bye.
Kita nyo, saglit lang. Palas na agad. Ito, sira na. Palitan na natin ito. Ito, pampalit.
Siamo fascisti! Fascisti!
Papainitin muna natin. Tanggal ang mga paa. Kita nyo, tanggal ang mga paa. Ewan ko sa nagkabit nung una. Di marunong. Para mabilis ang kapit. Ito. Okay na nga natin to. Tsaka to. Mainit na.
Sa ano no? Di ba? Wait a minute. Gano'n.
Para sa kanila, sa malaki. Sulat naman. Yung sakto lang yung sa araw-abot, sa buwan lang. Power lang.
Gano'n sa ano niya? Vivo Y11.
Yung putol na.
Wala, hindi ko pala.
Es ist vorbei! Sammelt die Verwundeten ein! Und begrabt unsere Toten! Weiter!
Ipin natin sa
Weiter!
microscope.
Weiter!
Pwede pa. Isang putol.
Tawag lang. Y7.
Di ba? Y11.
Kaya parang hindi ito.
Lagyan natin ng pack na konti. Yung bago.
Man! Please, right now! Right here! Guys, need a hand!
Lagyan natin ng konti.
Say goodbye.
Mabilis.
Lift!
Yan o.
Yo, real easy. You'll be okay. We're going back home to New York, man. Those reconnaissance photos were accurate. I tried to tell them, but they wouldn't listen. Look at those dog cameras. Stand, hold on.
Maganda, black. Para sa kwan. Ano ba ito ko sa puno taliran?
Oo, hindi mo na. Tatawagin naman ako nun.
Train, scan.
Tawagan nga natin ito.
Hold on, Corporal. Just earn yourself a Purple Heart. Get this man to the aid station. Move it. Yes, sir. Detail. Clean as a board. Kids, no debts, no enemies. 4 years in service. Purple Heart. Why? You stick a German logo on the guy's chest 3 months short of your retirement. You're looking at 25 life.
Hindi, mga ako ano sa sa game.
May 50 ka, 50 na nabigyan.
Wala, wala ang price.
State versus Hector Negro,
Naantay ko nga rin yung
page 14, docket 39A and 34B.
Para sigurado yung
Judge
microscope natin.
Strickhoff presiding. All rise.
Kenneth Hammond, New York County District Attorney's Office, representing people state of New York. Michael Decker, legal aid for the defense. Legal aid will be withdrawing, Your Honor. Ms. Wilder will be counsel for defense. Your Honor, we asked the bail be set at $2 million. Because he murdered a man in cold blood, also he was in possession of a famous missing artifact stolen from the gold stolen statue.
May nagka-wish din yun, yung mga tanong.
The victim is dead. Your Honor, from Valley, from St. Anna, something or other, immigrant textile worker lived in the Bronx. That was returned to Florence, Italy, Your Honor. Bail at $2 million. Defense?
Defendant will post cash bail.
Ay, salamat ang mama. Balik ka. Rinino po.
Bail set at $2 million. Next case. Listen, Bob, who is the sleeping man? Who is it? Mr. Negro? Who's the sleeping man? Rose Island, Nassau, Bahamas. You have a friend who wants to meet you.
All my true friends are dead.
Not this one. Your friend has learned there's no control in life. Wherever you go, wherever you hide, there's risk. Your friend understood that and turned that knowledge into invention. Seatbelts, safety devices, and so forth. And your friend made a fortune. People pay for control, even if they have none. Safety is the greatest risk of all, because safety leaves no room for miracles. And miracles are the only sure thing in life.
Mister, you talk crazy. I don't want a miracle. I just want to join my wife Lourdes in the glory of heaven. Is that too much to ask? I was the only one left. The only one left for me. Alas.
You got no friends.
Okay na, testing na natin. Ano yun, ate? Meron ba tayong wireless charger? Wireless na charger? Mukhang wala po, ate.
Wireless na pala ngayon charger. Ayaw mo dito?
Oo, pero hindi po advisable. Ano yun? Paggawa?
Different case, magawa kaya?
Yun, success. Mission accomplished.